Accessibility in higher education has become an increasingly important topic in recent years, with the rapid growth of digital technologies and online courses. It's more crucial than ever to ensure that all students, including students with disabilities, can fully participate in online learning activities, access to courses materials, and communicate effectively. But it's not just about the accessibility or accessible resources and services. It's also about learning. So one step towards removing challenges and barriers to a more accessible and inclusive society is to increase awareness and knowledge around accessibility. Student needs to learn about accessibility and influence the world in which they live. And accessibility, also design for all principles, help to ensure that everyone has access to information, resources, and opportunities. And by learning about accessibility, students can also ensure that their creations are accessible, as well as be able to advocate for inclusive practices. It can also help students understand challenges faced by people with disabilities. Accessibility and design for all serve as a foundation for fostering greater independence and empowering self-determined participation. That's why they should be an integral part of the mainstream curriculum in order to respect, reflect, and implement the potential of accessibility and design for all approach for the benefit of individuals, their communities, business, economics, and also the society as a whole. Well, it's crucial because accessibility and design for all are the entrance point to reach the ultimate goal of more independent living and self-determined participation in all domains. Higher education is the agreed and defined educational setting where such developments are pushed forward through education and by building a common understanding using proven methodological frameworks for science, research, and conceptual implementation. And in respect of the growing importance of accessibility and design for all, there is evidence they are not part of the higher education curricula. It's important to integrate accessibility and design for all in the curriculum because not be part of the curriculum leads to reduce awareness, knowledge, and skills, and impacts on the actual implementation of the accessibility and design for all, as well as the use of the assistive technologies by users, which contradicts the outline importance and need. So professionals at all levels, leading staff or decision makers are not aware of accessibility and design for all and not equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to design, implement, and integrate, and also maintain services and products respecting the requirement of the broadest range of users. Well, ATHENA project is founded by the Education, Audiovisual and Culture Executive Agency as part of the Erasmus Plus Cooperation Partnership Action of the European Commission. With ATHENA project, we would like to bring accessibility and design for all into higher education curricula by developing and testing guidelines and recommendations, which will stimulate innovative learning and teaching practices. EDF is leading the project and the consortium partners with 4 universities around Europe with expertise on accessibility. So they are Joint Cephable University of Linz, Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona, European University Cyprus, Masaryk University, and EURASHE, which is the European Association of Institutions on Higher Education in Europe. So ATHENA aims to support the higher education sector in becoming more interconnected, innovative, and also inclusive. by developing this kind of set of recommendations on how to incorporate accessibility in curricula. To do so, the project, we prioritize some actions, some tasks. And the first task was to collect and analyze a sample of higher education curriculum in selected domains. And we came out with some findings and with a transnational report. Well, this report presents the findings of the analysis of university curricula in 4 countries regarding how accessibility and universal design are included in higher education curricula. We analyzed the university curriculum from all academic partners in the consortium in Spain, Czechia, Cyprus, and Austria. And following the linguistic corpus analysis, results reveal common partners in the inclusion and accessibility and design for principles in higher education curriculum across the 4 countries. The analysis also revealed that different disciplines approach disability in different ways. For example, the education, social sciences, humanities, business, and law emphasize diversity, human rights, and social inclusion. In contrast, information and communication technology, engineering, and health sciences focus on technology enabler inclusion. In general, it was found that curricula tended to emphasize social diversity, occasionally recognizing specific dimensions such as gender and migration, but typically address disability in a general sense, with a predominant focus on visual, hearing, or motor impairments, while other disabilities receive limited attention. Overall, accessibility and universal design were portrayed with significant variation across the different domains.